Hey guys, do you want to live in the heart of Laureate Park, right next to Medical City and all the amenities that Lake Nona has to offer? Then stay tuned, I'm going to show you something great. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anthony Tejada, your local real estate agent with Preferred Real Estate Brokers in Orlando, Florida. And if this is your first time on my channel, please hit the subscribe and alert buttons down below because I post great content every week. This home is called the Hatter. It is in the heart of Laureate Park in Lake Nona, near Medical City, the 417, and the airport, and all the Lake Nona amenity areas. So stay tuned. Sit back, relax, listen to the music, and I'll get right back with you. Hey guys, so if you enjoyed what you saw, if you love this home, come take a tour with me. My number is 321-442-0102. And again, this is Anthony Tejada with Preferred Real Estate Brokers in Orlando, Florida. And I'm always shattering your expectations.